little bit different. I thought today for some of y'all dancers out there who want to learn some tap steps and you don't know where to go, hi, welcome to class. We be doing tap today. So strap on your tap shoes and let's get to it. Okay, so for today, yes, I got my tap shoes on. Anyway, so I thought today we're gonna go through some basic tap steps, like a flap, a shuffle, and a buffalo, and a maxiford right here. Let's start with a flap. One of the very easiest steps you learn at the very beginning of tap. So we're gonna start off with that. Each of these steps gradually gets harder, so just keep an open mind, keep practicing, and you will be great, I promise. It just takes a lot of practice. A flap, literally all you're doing is brushing your foot forward and stepping on it. For faster steps, you're gonna wanna brush, like do a little tiny brush, but for now, just learning it, you're gonna brush, step, brush, step. Everybody, brush, step, brush, step. And then let's do the other foot just so you're fluent in both feet. Just brush, step, brush, step. Sorry if you can't see my feet. Hold on. That's going there. I'm sorry, OCD people like myself, if that bothers you. But we're brush, step, brush, step, brush, step. That's all it is. So flap is just brush, step, brush, step, brush, step. You guys want to try it a little bit faster. So we're going to alternate feet like I just did. You're going to go brush, step, brush, step, brush, step. My tap shoes are a little big, so the sounds don't come out great. But just copy my motions, all right? So you're going brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step. Okay, so we're going to go a little faster, and you're just going to not put any weight on your heels. Your heels are going to stay suspended. I'll go to the side like this so it's easier to see. So we're going brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step. And the sound does sound weird because this is concrete and it's got little rocks on it, so don't worry about that. Just, yeah, sorry. My sound quality is horrible. But anyway, you're going brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step. All right, we're going to try it even faster. Brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step, brush, step. It's hard to say that fast. All right, even faster. Okay, now I'm no longer decapitated quite as much. So anyway, we're going to go pretty fast now. Follow along. You're just going brush, slap, brush, slap, brush, slap, 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 slap. And then this step is usually used in a bunch of different steps. You can flap, heel, whatever, you know. It's pretty, like, a pretty important step. You pretty much have to know it. All right, I think you're good on the flap. Let's go to shuffles now. So shuffles, you're gonna go brush and then brush back again. So it's like a flap, but you're just brushing twice instead of stepping on it. So you're going brush, back, brush, back, brush, back, brush, back. Now our other foot, same thing. Brush, back, brush, back, brush, back, brush, back. All right, so a little bit faster now. Shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. A little faster. Shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. A little faster. Oh, I can't even do that fast. So some of these steps you'll use in like a time step or whatever, you know. So there's a shuffle. I think you got that pretty good. So we're going to move on to a buffalo, which combines both a flap and a shuffle. So they're put together. So you're going flap on your right foot and then shuffle with your left foot. So you're going flap, shuffle, ha. front like here, but don't worry about that too much as you're learning it. So we're going flap, shuffle, hop, flap, shuffle, hop, flap, shuffle, hop, flap, shuffle, hop. Now the other foot is flap, shuffle, hop, flap, shuffle, hop, flap, shuffle, hop. You get the gist. Okay, a little faster on the right side. Flap, shuffle, hop, flap, shuffle, hop, flap, shuffle, hop, flap, shuffle, hop. On the other side. Flap, shuffle, hop, flap, shuffle, hop, flap, shuffle, hop, flap, shuffle, hop. All right, a little bit faster. Flap, shuffle, hop, flap, shuffle, hop, flap, shuffle, hop, flap, shuffle, hop. Other foot. Flap, shuffle, hop, flap, shuffle, hop, flap, shuffle, hop, flap, shuffle, hop. All right, even faster. Flap, shuffle, hop, flap, shuffle, hop, flap, shuffle, hop, flap, shuffle, hop. And then flap, shuffle, hop, flap, shuffle, hop, flap, shuffle, hop. Frick. It's hard to say it and do it at the same time, if you can believe me there. So if you got that down, you're definitely ready for a maxiford, which is kind of easier. I should have probably done that one first. But so anyway, a maxiford, you're going step, shuffle, leap, toe. So your leap is just changing feet. So step, shuffle, leap, toe, step. So step, shuffle, leap, toe, step. Step, step, shuffle, leap, toe, step. The other foot goes step, shuffle, leap, toe, step. It goes step, shuffle, leap, toe, step. Step, shuffle, leap, toe, step. A little faster on the other side. Step, shuffle, leap, toe, step. 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 I hit the edge of the concrete. Okay, other foot. I'm going to move up a little bit. So you're going step, shuffle, leap, toe, step. You see, as it gets faster, the emphasis on the word changes a little bit, but don't let that throw you off. It's just so that I can do them at the same time without messing up. Because I have to, it's hard to body, mind, synchronized. Anyway, so step, shuffle, leap, toe, step. 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 Now let's alternate, okay? I feel weird all the way up there. Anyway, step, shuffle, leap, toe, step. 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 All right, a little bit faster. Step, shuffle, leap, toe, step. 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 I think we can go even faster than that, all right? That was rough. Okay, good job. Anyway, if you can master those 4 steps, replay the video over and over again. If you can master those 4 steps, tap is going to be a breeze. That's kind of not true. There's other steps, obviously, but those 4 steps are very important to the basics of learning how to use flaps and shuffles, because those 2 steps are very important. Although you do use like your toes and like heels and whatever, but these 4 steps are the most important. So thanks for learning some tap with me. Tap is one of my favorite dance genres. Thank you for indulging me, and hopefully you learned something. That's my goal, right? So anyway, if you want to watch, if you want another tutorial, I will link my lyrical dance tutorial in one of the corners. I'm not sure which, and it's never the right one. I'm gonna go here. I think it's here. Click it. And also, after that's done, right here, I realize that most of you who watch my channel are not subscribed, so there's going to be a poll right here. asking you if you are subscribed. I would really enjoy it if you would fill that out, because I really want to know who is subscribed and who is not subscribed. And if you aren't subscribed but you watch my videos, please consider subscribing if you want, because then you'll get notifications and you won't have to go searching for my videos like a big old hassle, you know? And it really helps me out, so thank you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.